typical stage 2 mud flaps intake exhaust and off-the-shelf access port tune WRX. Like, this is full retard, like makes lots of horsey boys build. So I got a present for her back yonder for the WRX, obviously, and probably make an install video. That depends what we get into. Sitting on the side, or in the middle of an interstate, is why I would never live in a city. This is retarded. Open.
I don't even know.
Yeah, that's right. You can't even get it open. Here, use the Honda keys.
You didn't even open this first?
Nope. So I hope it's good. Hopefully they sent me what I ordered.
I don't know what this is. This underglow?
Yeah.
Fucking hell yeah.
And it's individually addressable.
Wait, really?
Yeah, so each LED can be a different color.
That's fucking sick.
So you can have a rainbow effect. Shut up, dog.
I'm so hype.
And you're supposed to be able to control it from your phone as well.
Wait, really?
Yeah. Should be Gucci.
I can't read Japanese.
That's because it's JDM as fuck. Sick. Instructions in Japanese, guys. Hell yeah.
The bottom looks like English.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, kinda. Look at that writing. Holy hell. There you go. See, that's what car stuff we're doing today.
Like,
For the WRX.
I didn't get a box, but I printed it out. Evo maintenance, registration.
Everything.
Yeah, okay, here it is.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah.
You motherfucker. They're so sexy. Now I need to buy this shit off of eBay so I can fucking test them when I put them together. And I hopefully don't fuck it up because I don't know what I'm doing with wiring.
It says for off-road use only.
Yeah? So
And professional installation
yeah, well,
recommended.
good thing it's going to be on the road and I'm not a professional, so. Well, thank you, Bam. Also, guys, since we got Sonic coming out tonight, I broke out the old Sega Genesis, so we're going to be playing some fucking Sonic. Old school style. Fuck yeah.
My mom's gonna shit.
You guys don't even know about this shit. Like, this is how old I am. You gotta select your fucking channel to play video games, bro. Like, that's what's up. And the processor inside this thing has about the same power as my ECU that powers the fucking car, which is dumb. So on the way to the girlfriend's place, noticed that my front left axle was acting a little weird. And dummy me knew that the boot broke open probably like 2 months ago. I just kept forgetting about it. So now we're going to Ohio to pick up some used front axles. So first road trip together. Huh?
I don't think it makes much sense to try and save your shit box with an even bigger shit box. We're probably gonna break down on the way.
Well, I guess we'll find out. Fun adventure awaits. Oh man. Look, it's an STI with WRX badging.
Wow.
Oh man, you might want the sauce now.
with 24 subscribers.
I'll make sure that's in the video. Where did we put all the tools back?
Oh, I didn't know what you guys did with the rest of the stuff.
Look at me go! All day tool that I stole from the Marine Corps, allegedly.
What?
Powder my spacers.
Yeah, you should.
I should powder them bright pink because you'll see them.
Or no.
I know, I do it black, just for you.
Follow the homies. One slow TS, one stock STI, Stiffy RSTI, Gapazona, D-Swag, 1493, and Mia Khalifa. This is my build. It's almost done. Shit's stickered.
It's supposed to do that.
What?
Oh, that boot's fucked. Looks like it's leaking trans fluid.
You should probably check your dipstick.
I don't have a dipstick.
Yeah.
I'm not a fancy Subaru and have dipsticks for everything. Look at me, I'm a Subaru. Tell me about your stage 2 plus Subaru, babe.
It's not even stage 2. It's not staged.
It's not stage 2, it just has a fucking 80mm turbo on it.
It's a 6870, it's not 80.
It's just a turbo that if you put it on an Evo, you'd make 1,000. But on a Subaru, you make 200.
We don't know what it's gonna make. It's a mystery. Holy hell! What the fuck did you? Oh my god!
I think we found the problem.
It wasn't even connected in there.
There you go. I'll put it back on. I'll put it on Facebook Marketplace. It's brand new. $100.
Slightly used.
Never launched.
Alright, current situation is advanced auto one doesn't work because it has the wrong fucking part on the end, and we bought 2 axles from somebody in Ohio, but they are not the right ones. The one's too thick. And the other one isn't the right length. So we're trying to haphazardly put a few of them together to make Dakota's old one work. Would you like to explain what's going on now?
We did some backwoods shit and made it work. So what we think is wherever that other axle went.
I put them both at the back.
Okay, well whatever the black one is exactly what it says on it.
Evo front pass. But we needed Evo front driver.
Yes. And what we believe, after messaging the dude, is that
He gave us a DSM.
he gave us a DSM one, and that no worky. Damn it. So we had to do some tomfoolery to make it work. We essentially just tore apart the CV part of the DSM one and put it back on. The online. And it seem to work so far.
Daddy. This is the first time Ella's actually met my baby. Fuck yeah.
Alright guys, so thanks to 6-Star Performance and letting me use the shop, I got the car back together. The axles ended up getting, the passenger one was right, but the driver's side one was a DSM one. Honest mistake. The guy that I bought it from was nice enough to give me half my money back. So we ended up just gutting the DSM's CV joint, because that was fucked in this, and just gutted that boot and the CV joint, greased it back up, threw it on there, and it runs fine. So that's good. And now we're gonna go play some Sega Genesis. What is up guys? So I just made it back home and just wrap it up for this video. It was a really good weekend, minus one thing that happened. Sadly, my brother's house caught fire and he lost everything, including his Siberian Husky that he had. So other than that bad news that I was informed of, it was good, but it just really sucks that that happened. So he should be able to get back on his feet relatively soon, though, with a bunch of, he knows a lot of people in the area. They've been helping him out a lot. So it still really sucks that, you know, just, you know, stuff happens, though. So I'm just going to end it on that and see you guys in the next one.